Today we are going to be unboxing Enrichables by Pampered Chef. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, beauty, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So Pampered Chef sent me this package. Who knew they had a subscription? I didn't, though I'm not very up to date on Pampered Chef and their product line, so I did not know. Do you have a child or a husband, or maybe you, that's a picky eater? Then Enrichables is for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, beauty, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So Pampered Chef sent me this package. Who knew they had a subscription? I didn't, though I'm not very up to date on Pampered Chef and their product line, so I did not know Enrichables was Pampered Chef, and I knew that Enrichables was coming in the mail because they sent this to me, but I didn't know that it was from Pampered Chef at the time, and so when I got this box from Pampered Chef, I was like, what is this box? Like, why am I getting something from Pampered Chef? So I had to open it because I had to know what was inside, and sure enough, this is Enrichables. So let's go over the deets of what Enrichables is. They provide you with a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and veggies. Do you have a child or a husband, or maybe you, that's a picky eater? Then Enrichables is for you. Just kidding. I watched their video and it was like this whole like dramatic thing of like, can't get this person to eat their veggies, give them Enrichables, type of a infomercial-y type of commercial. Anyhow, basically they send you these packets of powdered vitamins, minerals, or veggies. You can choose between pea protein or kale and fiber, and you just add it to your food. So let's open the price. I'm pretty sure each box comes with 12 packets of whatever you choose, the pea protein or the kale and fiber. It's going to be $29 a month, unless of course you subscribe for more months, then you get more. So let's open this up. I know they did send me 2 boxes because of because I already opened it and then I tried them out. So pretty sure, if I'm understanding this correctly, now this is not sponsored, they just sent this to me for my review. This is what my box looks like, but I'm pretty sure, my understanding is you would get one of these for the $29. And each one contains 12 packets. That's my understanding. I don't think you get 2. They did send me one of each. We have kale and fiber, and then we have, pulling that up backwards, pea protein. Now, on the boxes, they do have kind of like a suggested use for them, and they're both good in drinks and smoothies. They're both good for sauces, spreads, dressings, and soups. They're both good for rice, pasta and rice. And this one, the kale and fiber, they say is good for batters and doughs, also your ground meat. And this, the pea protein, it's good for oatmeal and batters and doughs as well. They are both plant-based. they're vegan, non-GMO, gluten, dairy, and soy free. The kale and fiber one has 2 cups of kale and 8 grams of fiber per packet. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense veggies. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, plus minerals, antioxidants to support overall health and wellness. Getting adequate fiber promotes digestive health, so that's why fiber is important. And then pea protein. This one is important because protein promotes a sense of fullness, provides lasting energy throughout the day, and helps maintain muscle function and mobility. So I have tried both of these, and let's open her up and show you what they look like. So the packets fell over, but there are 12 little packets that come in here, and same for this one. We tried the kale and fiber. I made like a chicken and rice type of a dish, and I put the kale and fiber in there. Let me tell you, it is a bright green. Can you see that? Bright green. Okay, I mean, it's kale. Kale is green. So in order to hide it in something like chicken and rice, not the greatest. I mean, it colored the rice green, which was pretty if it was St. Patrick's Day, but it's not St. Patrick's Day. Then my daughter goes, "Why is the rice green?" And then my husband and my daughter didn't want to eat it. Though my daughter was like, I told them both that it had kale in it, and my daughter, who eats kale, was like, "I can taste it." And my husband was like, "I don't want to eat this." But he did. He had seconds. He couldn't taste it. So it's very not flavorful. I expected them to have a lot of flavor to them, but it's not very flavorful. Now, the pea protein, this one surprised me because when I think of peas, I think of like green peas, and I think of like, I don't know, the color green. So I expected this to be more closely to the color of the kale, but this one, come on, light adjust, there we go, is more of like a yellow tan, almost like sand color. So this one would be way easier to hide in something, because like if you're putting the kale in a batter or dough, it's going to change the color. I want to try it in like a spaghetti sauce. I'm not saying everybody needs it. I'm not saying that this should be a meal replacement, because that's not at all what it is. It's in addition to what you're normally eating, to just add in more vitamins and minerals and protein and nutrients. So I think it's a really great idea. I just never knew Pampered Chef had a subscription box. The more you know, I guess. Anyhow, let me know in the comments down below what kind of supplements do you take, if you take any at all. Your favorite. I'm always looking for good protein powder, because like the whey protein powders or stuff like that you put in drinks, not necessarily pea protein, but I did try it and there's virtually no flavor. So pea protein might be my go-to protein powder. But I find a lot of protein powders, one, have added sugar, and I'm doing no sugar right now. Two, they have just like this weird flavor, and I like, even if you put it in a smoothie, you can taste that protein powder, you know what I'm saying? I don't like that. So I'm looking for a good protein powder that I can like seamlessly slip into a drink, hide it, and never even know it's there. So that is Enrichables to enrich your diet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the little bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!